What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Kyosho Fazer Mk2 2021 Toyota Tundra. I did a few upgrades to it. I got the aluminum drive shaft in the middle now. I didn't upgrade the diffs or nothing like that. I got this 45 amp ESC and a 3800 kV motor. Can't really remember what this is. 4-pole 4370 kV motor. What I want to do today, I want to do a speed test and a drift test, because I haven't had it out since I did a little testing, but I didn't really drive it like that. Let's get into it. Make sure she's lined up. Yeah, this shit is all uneven. Yeah, this ground got grip, but it's so uneven. Yeah, this is this ESC motor combo. I had this for a long time. I'll put in the description below. But I got it off of Amazon like years ago. Yeah, this thing a beast now. All right. Whoa. Need to tighten up that suspension. All right, let me try. All right, that's gonna be my first pass. Not big enough for me to hit full trigger. Well, you know, that messed up my speed. Yeah, I can't even get full trigger. I thought I might have could have. Oh yeah, she a monster now though. Let's see what that speed was real quick. Yeah, that was 45. It's hard for me to get full trigger to get 50. Somebody doubted this did 50 miles an hour. It just did 45 at full trigger for like a split second. I had way more room though. She's straight though, but I just can't full trigger. I ain't got enough. All right, let's start all the way from the gate. See what I can do. It's hard for me to keep it straight. But I might could get 48 in this gate. turned a little bit. Some better tires to help. Suspension. That'll help me out a lot too. All right, I'm gonna try one more pass. This might be a hopeless thing. Yeah, it's not gonna work. By the time I get up the full trigger, I'll be near the end. Oh. Yeah, but let me check that speed real quick. Or did I already say that? Be right back. Yeah, that was 46. Got it up to 46. If I had more room, I'd get it up to 50 plus. I would try on the street, but it's a little busy. If I put that other battery in there, it definitely hit some speed. Ooh, that was hard on the gear. Messing up my body. See this ground right here, it's enough room, but it's way too uneven. Like I'm gonna wind up flipping. You know, I don't got the nab in there no more. See what I'm saying? I wind up flipping. Woohoo. Oh my God, I really broke the body up now. Okay, let me get from up here. Yeah, but I like this setup so far. What I gotta do, probably upgrade the tires, tighten the suspension, may have to upgrade the suspension. I don't want crazy speeds. I ain't trying to hit 100 miles an hour, but you know what I mean? I do want, I want to try to get it up to 70, 80 miles an hour, if that's possible. Yeah, she hit 46 miles an hour. She got more in it, but I don't have enough room right now. I need to find me a good speed spot so I can really test the speeds of all my cars. It's getting warm now. Want to pull out the speed cars, the fast cars, street bashing, all that good stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell.